Hello, today I am going to provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to become a full stack developer. This guide is tailored for beginners so you can prepare yourself to become a full-fledged developer. The first thing, we need to understand the basics. And in that, number one is, what does full stack developer mean? A full stack developer is a type of software developer who understands all aspects of web development. There are two main parts: front end and back end. In front end, when you work on designing and developing the look and feel of website, it involves using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In backend, this is when you make a website's functionality work, such as building databases and managing server-side logic. Various backend technologies are used, like Node.js, Python, Ruby, and PHP. The second one is front-end development. In front-end development, we need to understand HTML, which is hypertext markup language. HTML is used to structure web pages. The next one is CSS, that is cascading style sheets. CSS helps style and design web pages. The third one is JavaScript. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic features to web pages. And the last one is frameworks. We have a couple of frameworks very popular. They are Angular, React, Vue.js. Now, if we talk about back-end development, we have server-side scripting. In that, we have the technologies like Node.js, Python, Ruby, and Java. And for the databases, we can use MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and SQLite. If we talk about API, that is Application Programming Interface Development, we have RESTful APIs and GraphQL. And the fifth one is deployment and hosting. For deployment and hosting, we can use Heroku, AWS, Firebase, Netlify, and GitHub pages. So I hope this guide have given you the starting point of your journey to become a full stack developer. Remember, practice and hands-on experience are essential, so don't hesitate to build your own projects to reinforce your skills. Good luck on your coding adventures. Thank you.